Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today is 21st of January 2019. My name is Paul, aka Seno Paul, and today this video is about starting an online business. And there are several businesses you can start online in order to either quit your 9 to 5 job or to just have a side income. A couple of businesses can be worked upon, and I think of all of them have to bring you some level of fulfillment, get some money, and then um, try to live your life, support your family, and all those loved ones. So the business I'm talking about today is what is called drop shipping. Now, drop shipping happens to be a business model whereby one um, makes a store, and then after creating this store, you import products basically from Chinese manufacturers, and then you market the products, and then you are able to make some profits, especially when they fulfill. Some of the notable businesses that are using this model are businesses like Amazon. All of us know Amazon. When I go to Amazon.com, Amazon also happens to be one of those what we call FBA, Amazon FBA, a business whereby um, individual people just like you and me go online, find products, find manufacturers from China, and then they list products on their websites. And when I come to buy, for instance, if I buy a product like this here, uh, the owner of the store, or what happens now? Okay, what happens basically now for Amazon FBA? FBA is fulfillment by Amazon. So what Amazon does, it advertises your products online, which products you outsource. I contact manufacturers. There's a website called AliExpress. Alibaba, basically Alibaba is for manufacturers. You contact a manufacturer, you tell them uh, specifications. After you make research, actually, then you contact the manufacturer, and the manufacturer will be able to use you pay them, then they ship your products to any Amazon warehouse in the US or any other places like the UK, Canada, and other places where they have Amazon warehouses. So when your products arrive, what Amazon does, if someone comes to Amazon and buys this product, what Amazon just does is pick the product from their stores and then send it over to the person that has bought it, and that's how you make your profit. But today I bring you a cheaper option, or an alternative whereby you can run, because Amazon also has some limitations, and then you have to pay monthly in order to keep your store running. So I'm going to look at a few things here which all of us might try to look at and see a few items. So today we can do we are going to do our own store, which is purely going to be managed by us, importing products from Chinese manufacturers, and then we put them on our website. We market our website, and then when someone buys, we send the funds, or we remove our product. Like for instance, you could find that for instance, if someone can buy maybe like a bag, a ladies bag or anything, for around uh, maybe $15. Okay, what happens? But this is the price I will list on my website. But what I do, I contact the manufacturer who could be selling the product for around $2. So after someone buys from the site, I remove $13, and then I send the $2 to the manufacturer. I tell them to ship the products to a given person who has paid, and the difference, $12, is my profit. So today I'm just going to show you a model of business, and we are going to create our own drop shipping store, which store is done from scratch. So there are a couple of ways you could use. There are different ways you can do this. Before we do that, let's try to look for a product. For instance, which product now? Maybe you can come later to this, but let me see. Let's see what happens. This is what I was checking today prior to this. I was checking out a few items which are sold on Amazon, and then I compared them with the pricing which is on AliExpress. For instance, if we said this is chicken women fried legging or something, maybe let's see something different. Let's see something different here. I want to find. Let's see. Okay. Let's look at this black shock mount blue. Let's see. Black shock mount for Blue Yeti and Blue Snowball mic eliminates noise. Okay, so this is a mic which is basically used for, making audio, like recordings, just like that. So if I take this name, probably it is because some Amazon people, what they do is they change the naming so that someone may not be able to find it on AliExpress. So let's take the same name and then see how much, if it is there, how much it costs. It looks like a pretty nice one. Let's see. That's the issue now. If it is so easy to get it from this side to the other side, because yeah, let me look for an option. Maybe this yes, let me see this. It is so easy to get from here to take it the other side because the pricing, like the naming doesn't change. Okay, the naming is changed when you get it, for instance, from Amazon to Alibaba. People tend to change the name so that at least they'll be able to confuse the buyers, or the buyers won't really. If you come to Alibaba to check if you know Alibaba, you won't see the real name. So that's what happens. So let me go to this. I found a PC mic that I can really advertise. Let me see. Like this, maybe. Let me see. Okay, let me see this one. You're going to compare it. Yeah, microphone. Yeah, so this is a microphone condenser. Oh, even if I do BM 800 microphone, I'll take the same name to Amazon and paste it there to see how it's. Yeah, I believe we can find this. Yes, this is exactly the same. See this, and also see this. Actually, it is the same picture. So what happens? Well, see how much it is, 34.98. Here it is 9.5. So if you buy, like if we think the discounts, if you buy 5, you buy them at 9.15. And I think if you buy one piece, it goes for this. So still you see the difference. Apart this person, actually this is around 35, assuming okay, 35 minus 16, so someone makes around $19. So assuming, okay, removing all the costs, let us leave it at 15. Maybe the costs go, everything, packaging, shipping goes for $4 because you buy in bulk. So if you sell around 200 pieces, you'd have made 3,000 US dollars. And this money is without you like figuring out the shipping, figuring out stock. You don't have stock or anything like this. So it is a very good model. If you really do it well, it really pays off at the end. So let's go to this. Yeah, so I'll close this. I wanted you to see the same mic, which is here, is sold here very cheap. So in this case, you find a manufacturer like this, okay, and then a manufacturer here who is a good supplier. You talk to them, try to tell them what you are looking out for, and they'll definitely be able to work out a plan, and then you can ship. But the best place when we are going to use I want to find it on Alibaba, because Alibaba is where Amazon FBA fulfillers, FBA, I mean, guys like you who buy stuff from Amazon, that sell things on Amazon, use Alibaba. But there's another website which is basically for small, like for retailers, which is it is a sister site for Alibaba, which is called AliExpress. Mostly the pricing on AliExpress is a bit more like it is a bit more, it's something is quite expensive on AliExpress, because it seems that also these guys they buy from the manufacturers and then they list the products. Let us search for the same product here and then see how much it will be. But this is the website we will be using for our business like setup. I think where is it? I think this is it. Maybe, yeah, this is it. So if you look closely, you will see that it's kind of more expensive, 22.9. So that means also these guys buy them and then list these products for people to buy. So yeah, that's how expensive. But we are going to use this website because it has some added on features. Contacting these manufacturers sometimes it is not so easy, but it is possible. They are also they are looking for people to, to sell to products. So if I wanted, I can say I can contact the supplier, tell them I'm looking for ABCD, yes, for drop shipping, and I ask if, yeah, I can say here, hello, or I am I am interested in drop shipping. This back to the US. I need further info. You may be required to work together. So I send this inquiry, and this guy will write to me, and then we start to negotiate, to talk about the shipment and everything. We may have, sorry, these mistakes. Yeah. Sorry, I have to log in here. Yeah, so this is something which is probably very easy for everyone to do. So you contact the manufacturer, and The manufacturer will give you back some info, what is needed, and things like that. I think our message is being sent, and we shall see success screen. Yeah, so yeah, inquiry sent successfully. So that's how you would do it if you want to do Amazon and FBA, that is fulfillment by Amazon. But today we are using something else. So let me close this because we don't need this. I'll close Amazon. Maybe I'll leave Amazon, but I'll close this one also. So today the system I'm talking about is using a plugin which we call AliExpress and no, alidropship. If you can see here, we have a program, we have we have a plugin here that you can use to import products into your website and then be able to sell. So to start with, there are a few things you need for you now. To start with, you need what we call, you need a domain. You need a domain name. This is what you need. You need a domain name, domain name for your website. You need hosting. You need plugin. Yeah, basically these are the few things that you need to start your own store. So let's look at the fees here. How much it costs? Well, if you are starting out new, domain name is around $12 a year. Then hosting, depending, hosting is around. I would recommend you to use a service like Bluehost, which is Bluehost would be a great service for. Yeah, so if you go to Bluehost, let's try to see. Use this link here. You will get some discounts on hosting. Yeah, I have some dealership, some deal with them, so you can get some discounts. So when you click on this button, the website is internet browser. Yes, I'll put it in the link. I'll put a link in the description there for you to be able to see, to follow it up. So assuming you don't have hosting, this is what you will do. You come here. This is good. You get free domain, free SSL, good one-click install. So what you need is basically you need domain name, you need hosting, you need to design the site using WordPress, and then you also need you need to market your after installing WordPress, you install plugin, and then also you market your store to people, and then when they buy, that's when you make money. So for starters, if I say here, I'm just going to do a demo actually. We assuming we want just one site, okay. We are starting out, so we can take this, the basic plan. Yeah, so you select that, and then you can choose your name. Maybe what name? We are going to, our store we are going to do is going to be about ladies bags, okay. We can call it maybe lady thing, maybe come. So when you come here, you could now you can fill in your info here. Yeah, and what I'm interested, after you fill in all your information here, then what I'm interested in is to see how much it is going to cost us to hosts. So account plan basic 36 months, they reduce it 3.95. So hosting price would be 142 in total. Some of these other things you may remove them, but you may need site lock security for trust, for people trust your store when they are giving their credit card information. You may need that, you may need this, you may need this. So at the end you are going up to around this, but maybe some of these you may remove. Yeah, you may take off this. Maybe you may. So at the end we are reducing this. Then let me see. Someone can say 12 months. It goes back to that. So it's around 96, 95. So you may need 95 US dollars for the hosting. So that would be 95. Yeah, US dollars. In our plugin, if you go to their website, you can go to their website. You can even get a discount here, but today we aren't not going to buy it now. So to get our plugin, you go to Ali plugin. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, you go to a website called alidropship.com. alidropship.com. This is where you can get the yeah. So this website will help you to buy. You can buy the plugin. This plugin works with WordPress. WordPress being 30% powering, then like 30% websites on the internet are powered by WordPress. So get powerful WordPress plugin that allows building AliExpress affiliate sites in minutes or adding products to your existing site. The plugin integrates with AliExpress affiliate program, so you can get a paid commission for every purchase. Okay, so this is so what you can do here is with the Ali plugin or Ali partnership, you have two things. You can buy the plugin at 69 now, is at a discount, or you can get a custom website made for you. You can get a custom website made for you, whereby they populate everything. We can look at the two options. When you buy here, you build your website from scratch. This is let me show you. I already bought this, so I may not need this. So this is what you'll get: instant access after successful payment. Choose license type: regular, pro regular, 5 websites. Ali plugin pro extended, 10 website, one-time payment. Then Ali plugin pro developer, this is 100 website, your own hosting. When I'm using my own hosting, but I can also get hosting from these guys, but that would add up the cost, so I would prefer to use my own hosting. So at the end of the day, you'd buy this 69.69 and you get a plugin which can work on 5 websites. So that means you can build 5 stores. You see? Let me check a coupon. I had a coupon here. Let me see if it can still work. I think it was odd friends 25. There was a discount of 25, but I'm just trying to remember if it was. Yeah, maybe something like that. But if you have it, you can get it actually cheaper. Yeah, usually it is $22 off. So if you look at 69 minus 22, you pay around 47, and then you get all five. A plugin for 5 websites. So that is what you would do. If you want, you can also order custom site, get your own affiliate store. This is how it will look like. Let's see. Yeah. So you got number of stores, one store, maintenance app store. So as you add, you order for more, then you pay less. So you pay this, and then if you want, you can pay them this much. Yeah. And this is what you would go customer affiliate, unique AliExpress, and then stuff like this is what you would get basically. Let me see. Let me see here. Yeah, so here we are, and all the features you need: professional, responsive, unique, plugin. Yeah, so your store will be ready to your store will be ready to go when you're done. So how it works, how this system works. It shows us register with AliExpress for. Okay, this is a different thing. Let me look. Now they have themes. Which themes you can use to design your website? Let's see. Let's look at this and let's see. These ones are for Ali Plugin Pro. Oh, we can look at the demos, see how it looks like. Then we compare which one we want. Yes, this is for if someone is. No. This is if someone has bought. Is going to use what? Okay, let's see this. This one looks cool. When you're going to use recommended themes for Ali Plugin Pro, is a possibility to use WooCommerce. So if you are going, these are the recommended themes. Let's see what happens. My internet is so that's very good. Yeah, you could design a site like this. Come up with art, make your best wizard costume, harmony, Gaga's magic one. So you could have your info here, free 11.99 and free worldwide shipping by now. So your website would look like this, and it's well designed, free worldwide shipping, 35 money back guarantee. So things of the sort. This would be like testimonials from clients, happy, show this guy is happy. So it could be like showing happy clients. Yeah, and then you can contact. So this doesn't look bad. You can do this, but this is let me see what comes up. Oh. Okay, so they take you to this. They take you to this. They show you these are almost $13, but here it is at 12, 11 or something like that. Okay, let's look at another option, Photomaster. our products. Okay, these would be different categories for different things that are being sold, and the best choice because government cannot be used for experts, customers. Okay, let's see. So this is like a general store, I think, and you can put a banner here. So these are different things that you could use. There's this hipster clothing. This could work for a few things: bags, agriculture, patio, heater, all categories. Okay, this is not bad. Yeah, so there are several of them. I think this is a very nice, very well done. I think we will use this. Looks like a good, especially for design products. Looks like nice, and we will probably use this. Let's see this. Okay, press the star. Okay, this one also. So yeah, so there are a couple of options you can choose from. Like we said, I want to consider option this, so we can go and download it. I think it is here. It's a free download. It could also be in our plugin anyway. So you close the rest of these, close this, close this. We have seen what you need is you need a theme, you need a domain, you need hosting, you need art plugin, then customize your website, your store. Yeah, so this video basically is going to be in two-part series. So right now there would be first part one, and then we will do part two later. Let me see this. So I want us to go now. This is, we assume we already have, we are going to buy a domain. Hosting already, I'm just going to depict using mine. We may not be able to buy right now, but I already have. But you need this, then you need around 69. So in total you have 95 plus 69 plus 12. That's basically what you need for you to do your store. But we are going to use just 12 and 69 because I already have hosting. $80 more or less. So let's go and buy a domain. And my favorite place to buy domains is found at a website called Namecheap. Namecheap has like it says, it has very cheap domains. Yeah, so I'll put in design name. I can say we're going to do a ladies bag, maybe baggy design, and see, click search. If we'll get a cheaper domain for like for purposes of demonstration, maybe, yeah, that one is available, but I want something cheaper because I don't really need to buy it now. Yeah, I want something maybe that is $1, $2 or less. That's what I'm looking out for. Let's see, that's US, XYZ, info. Yeah, this one, baggy design. .pw. Let's see which one. Maybe I'll use this. So I'll buy this domain. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you cut. Yeah, I already buy from these. They give you 1 year subscription. So who is God? The other side. And Bluehost, you buy this service for almost $2. So that means around $4 per month. So I'm going to confirm order. I'll put in my details here. Please. This is for demo purposes. Yeah. So I want to use checkout with PayPal. Yeah, I will I'll try to use this for purposes of demo. I want to buy the domain, and then we do hosting, and then we do setup hoster, which is probably in the next video. But in this one, we are demonstrating how we buy the domain, how we do host and stuff like that. Continue. I'll use PayPal balance. I have some balance to use. I think yeah, it sometimes takes a while. Yeah, so we have bought this. Yes, so we want to manage the putting the DNAs and all those info that is needed. So let's go to Bluehost where I have my hosting. Yes, I'll go to that. I have a couple of domains here. I know the info that is needed at this place. Sorry for the delay, it is the internet. Yes, so I want to, I'll change the DNS here. The DNS information. So sorry about that. So I want to put in the hosting, like the DNS info, which is needed by our name registrar, and then we shall install WordPress, and then install our plugin, and then we start doing the right thing. It's all about the path. Is this something to do with cookies? I don't think so. Yeah, so let's see. This is Bluehost. Skip. Yes, I want this to be there. Yeah, I want to set up. Yes, I want to use custom DNS. I know it is ns1.bluehost.com. The next one is ns2.bluehost.com. That is the information that is needed on this side, and that's all we have to do from our name register like design.pw. So I would say do this, and from here we are going to add this info, this budget design.pw. We are going to add it to our hosting. The server may take up to 40. Sometimes it takes less, sometimes it takes forever, but we are going to try to set it up and then we install WordPress to this. Yeah, sorry for the sluggish connection. Yeah, sometimes delay. Yes, finally, so we are here at Bluehost, and we want to add this, our domain we just bought. We add it to this hosting account. So we can go to advanced so that we add this account to that list. Yeah, sorry for the delay. It was taking forever. Yeah, sometimes the internet is so bad here. Yeah, so back here, yeah, so we are going to add our address. It's our new website address to this to the hosting account. So we just do assign domain. Trying to assign domains to this account. Assigning means we put it to this. So I'll come and say I'll just put it there. It is verifying to see if we really own this. Remember what we put, the information we put here at our register. So if they have propagated it, if it is updated, we shall see ownership verified. If not, that means it will take some minutes for it to be verified that it belongs to us. So we are waiting. Oh, it's again taking forever. But what can we do? Don't have so many options. Yeah, oh, I think it's not yet verified. Please point the name for the domain to ns1.bluehost.com. Yeah, what we did is actually probably we need to redo it because sometimes it takes time. I'll do it to see if it verifies now. Probably it's not yet. What we do is yeah, okay, what I can do is I can come and copy this info probably, but it is the same. It is NS1 as we buy time. This one is this. Let's change this because these two. Then we can click on this. Then we go here and try to do the verification again. Yeah, ownership verified. The name servers for the domain as currently set. So we are good to go. Don't change anything, just sign this. So from here, we we're trying to assign this. Yeah, so even if we close this, we don't need this anymore. Just waiting this to be assigned to the hosting account. Ooh. Okay, already it is assigned there. Okay, so what we need to do is now we go back to maybe WordPress tools. I don't know. Okay, let's go back to here because all I need is we need to install our WordPress. Install WordPress and then the Ali plugin. So I have a couple of websites here, and all I want is to click on this new install. It will ask me to choose the site. I think it's here, domain. I don't change anything. You can say, and put a title here. Good designer. Bugs for 2019. Okay, you can choose a username here. And see, maybe I can use this. Can use can try it. I'll use this password here to see, and I'll put maybe this address. And then what we want is to install WordPress now. And when WordPress is done, then we'll be able to transfer our plugin to this. Yeah, I'll come back to this after the installation of WordPress because the rest is automated, so that's you don't really need to be. Yes, hello. So after installing our WordPress, we now come to go. We have installed WordPress, so we want to log into the WordPress website we've just created, and then install our theme. Which we install our theme first. We install our theme. No, we first install the theme, and then we also install the plugin. So what we have done, we have bought we bought our plugin, we bought the domain, um, we hosted it. Now we also bought a plugin. So what we want to do now is to ensure that now our setup is done well. So what we are going to do now, for starters, we are going to log into our website. So the website was buggydesign.ph. When we click on that, it's going to take us to the newly created website. Yeah. So it didn't ask me for login because I had already logged in. But it would, if I say log out, I'll log out. Oh. And I do this. Let's see. Let's wait to see. Okay. Just know that when we log in, this is how it looks. I go to the dashboard. Remember, our website is now not showing. If you use another browser to check for the same website, if we go to, we get our website, that is buggy design.pw. It will show something else, but for us, we are looking at this from the administrative panel. So this is what our website now looks like. You know, if you go to this website, this is what you see now, and asks you to log in here if you're an admin. You know, yeah, that would require a username and password, and then yeah. So this is what it would show. But we'll go to the other side where we are already logged in. Thank you. Yeah, so when you log in, there are so many things inside here, but I don't want us to complicate the process. I want it to be a very easy process for everyone to be able to comprehend what is going on. And yeah, just a few things here and there to set up. And yeah, so for starters, let us go on the desktop first, and we have our it is called yeah, it is the Ali plugin. It is here. It is here, but I had to zip it. To zip it, all you do is just right click, and then when you have WinRAR or anything, and then say add to plugin.ai. But it should be .zip, yeah. So you zip it up, so to be like this. So this is what we are going to install, and then also we have uh, our this is our theme is called Delta. Remember, we downloaded it from the website. So add to archive, yes. This is, we are zipping this because WordPress needs the files to be zipped. So yeah, so our theme is already zipped up. Also the plugin is ready to go. It is already been zipped up. So let's go and try to install this together. So I come back here. To install any plugin, you have to come here to add new, then upload, then you click to choose file. So I'll go to the desktop and look for Ali plugin. This is where it is. Click on this, click on, then click on install. You leave the process to go on, and when done, if there are no issues, of course you'll be able to see, to be telling you successful or stuff like that. If you look down here, actually it is showing you the percentage, 70%. You can see here, yeah, it's almost done. After putting in the after the upload of our plugin, we'll put our license, you know. Yeah, yeah, it should be ready in a few minutes from now. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, Yeah, so unpacking the package, installing the plugin successful. So we go to activate plugin. There's so many things running around. Yeah, so many things here, but yeah, what we need, plugin activated. What is the plugin? This is it. When we go now to Ali plugin here, we need to configure it. License, we need the license. Remember, we already bought this, so when you buy you get the license. I already have the license here with me. Yeah, I put it in here. I say activate. Yeah, sometime, yeah, license code is wide, please update page. Activate. Yes, already here we are. So when you install, this is how it looks like. Yeah, we have total number of products, total product views, total redirect to AliExpress. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to do a few things here. First and foremost, I want us to look at our website, how it looks like from the outside. Oh, um, I'm trying to figure out why the band is playing. Let's go also and install our theme. Okay. Already the themes are come installed with this, so we just need to choose which one is the right theme. Let me see. Ah, okay. Where's Delta? Where's Delta? I'll first delete these ones which are unnecessarily installed automatically by WordPress team. Yeah, yeah. Some of these we don't need them. Just delete everything here. So when this, we can look at details and then let's see what do we have here. Okay, let's customize this. Yeah, so you can change a few things here. First we need we need a logo first and foremost. We need a logo. We need yeah. Let's try to go. There's a website here. It's called brand crowd. You can make it can be used to make logos and many other things. So let's we called ours um, lady eh? Baggy lady. Yeah, we are trying to create it's called baggy design. Yeah, so we try to make sure we put a keyword so the system will check to see what's the best way, like what's the best it will choose for us a best logo. We just need the logo to start. Keywords, we need about lady bags. Okay, so let's try to see. Yeah, baggy design. Yeah, baggy design, more or less. This, we can choose any that looks like a lady's, more or less. Like design, we can come up with something later. We try to see. Yeah, this one has buggy design, looks nice. Yeah, so if we say this, yeah, this is a paid service, but I can as well just decide to, yeah, I can as well just decide to, let me see. Yes, so let me just screenshot this, because I may not have I don't want to pay for this, because when you say that download, they'll tell you to pay for it. So buggy design, the desktop, I'll create a folder called buggy design, so that we put all our assets there. Yeah, yeah. So I want also to remove the background. Oh, we can also choose something else. It doesn't have to be this necessarily. I can also choose, and then we can look at several options here. What else? What else? Let me see options here. Icon text. Vintage, traditional, funky, 100. I can look for more options here. I'm trying to come up with something which will represent the ladies. Remember, we are going to do ladies um, bag store. Yes, this one also can work. Bag design and something which appears. Yeah, also this one looks beautiful. Yeah, this looks fine. But at the end of the day, yeah. So yeah, assuming this is enough, so we go here. You ask for our site icon. We can use that picture anyway. We can upload this. Maybe we use this. Yeah, we can use this. Yeah, and say ladies bags. Select. It's going probably to crop it. This image is the one which the image we are trying to create is this. What you see here appearing here is what you're trying to come up with actually. Crop image, so that when someone visits our website, for instance, when you go here, you may not see, but you see on each website like this one, you can see there's a small icon, and Gmail you can see this one. Those are that's what we are trying to come up with to upload here. Yeah, so you see this is how our browser, yeah, this is how it will look like. And yes, so we go back, trendy ladies bags. Yeah, it should come something here. Where is it? Colors, header text, they're talking about this. Background, we may not. Header image, background image, menus, homepage settings. Yeah, let's see homepage. um, let's see. Yeah, so we have already done this, so let's try to, we want to ensure our website is ready to go in the shortest time possible. Yeah, so we are now here. Let's try to see our website if at all it has anything has changed, because we had the warning here. Yeah, so this is, so far this is how it looks like now. If I put it live, this is how it looks, but now I still have to populate here. But again, I can also go on and get this. So our logo should be here. Yeah, let me see. Let me see. I'll add the logo here. But first and foremost, let me go and import. Oh, but before we go so ahead, I remember we had our own theme. In case you have a theme, how would you upload it? Because I am using this early one because it came installed with it, so that's why I was maybe didn't look at the whole aspect. So the things we have to set up here, okay? General, social colors, navigation, things of the sort. Yeah, footer, this is header, favicon is this picture here, free shipping image, slider image. We are going to get photos still, but first get the premium. Then yeah, I don't want to get that. Let's see here. SEO, this one has to do with ranking your, yeah, ladies trendy bags by trendy and affordable ladies bags from us with free delivery worldwide. Yeah, the rest of the things we shall come to them, but I'm trying to put up some settings so that we get our store ready to go. Yeah, I will not change this. If you have analytics code, you would put it here. The image, footer image, favicon. I'll put the favicon here because it is the same. This. I'll just update. This order now from AliExpress text colors, and then this is social media. If you have already created social media accounts, you would put here your Facebook, your Twitter, YouTube, Gig Plus, but Google Plus I think has been disconnected. This is something rather odd. Pinterest, VK, and maybe what is missing here is you would have something like Instagram, because it is very important to have Instagram nowadays. Navigation, menu, header menu. Yeah, so let me see. Okay, so let's go back to themes. I was just going through making an just checking up if we want to upload our own theme, like we had one. I can just click on upload, look for the theme. It was think it is under here. It is called Delta. You just click on it. Yes, so now after installing, we have to click on activate to activate our theme. When we activate, this one is going to remove the other theme we had, and you will see the changes. This is the theme we have installed now. If we come here and do a refresh, we shall have a different outlook. This is how it looks like, and I think yes, it looks more beautiful compared to what we had before. Start smart shopping, better living, good catalog, more or less. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so yeah, we shall get more of these product images. Yeah, so yeah, it looks beautiful. It looks this woman who is having this, she's happy. So yeah, and maybe what we are going to change, every theme has its own settings, so we are going to change and have our logo here instead of this one. We can go to customize. Site identity. Yeah, I think we need to change some settings. I'm trying to look for the where I can change this from, but there could be several options. I think I can come to customization, maybe. Yeah, I can put that number. Let us see. Add default pages and menus create. Okay, I'm trying to see how to change a few things, but most of this we shall change. Hey, so we are here, and the main thing here now is we are going to go to AliExpress, find products we would like to dropship, and then we import them to our website. Okay, so let's see. What we do basically is there are a few things to do before we import our products. First, we need to choose we first let's set up our, let's try to customize our plugin into WordPress. So yeah, so when we go to import products, this is how integration would be. Yeah, you can select items by category, you could say, and say maybe apparel and accessories. You can type some keywords here, you know, women's clothing, maybe, yeah, and then you type something like maybe jumpsuit. Maybe night dresses. Then you can say how many purchases, like this determines the amount of purchase of the product over the last period. So you could say between any product that has been purchased 0 to 1000, but you can say no, maybe I want to start from, yeah, maybe around maybe 500 to maybe, you know, up to that. Feedback, then you have to also to look at feedback, because the more feedback, the more engaging the product is, and that means people are interested in when they ask questions, even if sometimes these they are negative. So we can say we have someone who has scored maybe, okay, okay, maybe 5, okay, let's say 10, and we can say minimum price, maybe we can leave it to that, maybe minimum maybe $10. Okay, we put 5 and then say apply filter. So what happens? Oh, API key not found. I don't get this. Yeah, I think something is not working well here. Let me try to sort it out. Hey, so we wait for the wait for as we wait for items being like the store being stabilized. We are going to, in the next video, we are going to show how to import products in our store and then customize them to be the best. So wait the next video. The next video is going to be talking about that specifically. Thank you.